Across the river in the Shelby State. Meanwhile, the 24-4 Lady Birds of South Shelby returned to postseason action in Class 3 as they tipped off against 13-16 Duchesne. That's right, at the Corf Memorial Gymnasium in Hannibal. South Shelby breaking the ice here as Hannah Wegman will sink the three from the top of the key as we get to action. There we go. Watch her size everything up, looking for room, and bingo, gets the ball to drop. Keeping the momentum going here. Yeah, it's Miranda Patterson up next for South Shelby. Steps up and she'll ice the short J for two. She is clutch. She is deuce. Duchesne looking to catch up as Taylor Mears. She'll get the pass and sink a nice layup for two. They try to get back in this game against MSHSA. When this one is all said and done and the final horn sounds at Corf Memorial, yeah, South Shelby, no problem. They get by Duchesne tonight. 56-36 is your final. Looking in on other scores from other postseason action from across the river. Class 1 state tournament. Salisbury, North Shelby, Lady Raiders fall to defeat 58-46 against a very tough Meadville squad. They close out the season talking about North Shelby at 25-4. Meanwhile, Northeast Cairo gets by Schuyler County 55-37. Schuyler County closes out their season at 23-6. And just a reminder, QU Lady Hawks head basketball coach Casey Bailey will be the next guest on WGEM Sports Center tomorrow morning. Starting at 7 a.m., Coach Bailey will have the very latest on those soaring Lady Hawks from the GLVC tournament. Hardwood as they get ready for action. Remember, the show will be coming your way on WGM Sports Radio 105.1 FM tomorrow morning. WGM Sports Radio 105.1 FM. The show is still from 7 to 9, so be sure to check it out. That's a wrap for sports. We'll be back.